Wewe ingia, acha ingie ndani wewe. Very good, ingia hapo Mili.
Jombita untie Uma Uil Uchit Uchak Amila Benda Chak. Your Excellency President William Ruto, I wish to welcome you to Rusinga Island, the home of legendary figures like Tom Mboya and Amilo Geza aka Bad Girl. Uruako President Kosoku Ruako. Erejo Moruako Tingbare. Your Excellency, yesterday we gave you a memorandum covering Suba North. Because of time, I will not talk about the issues of Suba North. But you have been to Rusinga Island more than 10 times. And we know that you therefore love this area. But the people of mainland are crying. We have a KMTC which is complete that needs operationalization. We need a TTI in Waondo that also need operationalization. I thank you for agreeing to extend the road to Ulugi and even to Choyagumba. Your Excellency, with your permission, I have one message I want to pass in Luo and then I'll translate. Joturwa wachkidwa Luo kosoki kawache. Joturwa President muneno bedo bathane. Neja klasa e university. Kendo wamielo godo kiria gloria. E Christian Union. To gima pimnwe. Nikare ngama bedo President benyani in the class. Amilo kesa nyako majaber ni iwe ngato anguka nayo dhigo Zimbabwe. To inka. Oninde class kosoko nindo. Oninde kosoko nindo. Tapa niki mane chande. Ni anoja kaniso lemo. Toko ngeo ni ambe ananyara duen sura giwes. Donga nyara duen. Omiyo, Your Excellency, in translating, what I am saying is I want to thank you for agreeing to give us Rusinga TTI. Awacho koso kawacho. And finally, Your Excellency, I also want to thank you because you have excellent friends in our neighborhood. Sami Wakiaga, Dr. Mark Matunga, Wantiere Kagio Kukumiregi, na wengine Manyiri Bokabi wacho niket sata semie memorandum. When we are doing broad-based, Kaka Chief Whip, awacho sogi kosoki kosogi. May the Lord bless you. Thank you. Sorry, Your Excellency. Oh, watch Nadia. A memorandum. We had a will, Goka. Your Excellency, you have done us very well. Mbadi the world, Lingalingamos. We thank you for appointing Mbadi. Joturwa, we thank Your Excellency for appointing Mbadi. Not only the first Luo, but the first Suba. Since the earth began to become the 5 minutes. Awarwako kosok warwako. We also thank you for appointing Wandai. But we are jealous. When we went kwa Eve ni mama, mia pimi ni mama. Wamesikia unawacha basi huko. Ukiacha basi hapa Rusinga girls, kuna shida. Omiwa basi Rusinga kosoki komiwa. Thank you, Your Excellency.